What's up, guys? Today I'm checking out the Culture Club Time in parentheses Clock of the Heart, requested by Music Man on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this song before, nor have I heard anything from this band, but I did do a little bit of research before starting it. They're a UK band, basically started around in the 80s, so I haven't heard this one before, and this is part of their greatest hits album, as you can see. And yeah, all I can say is and they don't really look like a UK band, but I mean, apparently they are. So that being said, let's go ahead and check it out. I don't know what a UK band would look like, but yay. We run that one back. Wow, that's good. That's good. Sheesh, yeah, that's cold. Break out the sax one time. Come on, man. Yeah, what does this song have at this Yo. Wow. pleasantly shocked and appalled. That was insane, man. That was great. Really enjoyed that one. I was not expecting it to be that like much of a jam. Like that was just that was too much, man. I was not expecting that. I mean, but I guess it's on the greatest hits album for a reason. Yeah, this was incredible though. Like I just said, I love the overall production. You know, vocally it wasn't mind blowing or anything, but it fit the song. It was nice in that way, and it was this was definitely a jam, bro. And a surround sound, yeah, you don't want to play this in surround sound. It will absolutely just like. I mean, when I say you don't want to play this in surround sound, I mean that as a good thing, by the way. But yeah, I really enjoyed this one, Culture Club, Tom. And if you guys enjoyed the reaction, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.